Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I find this story quite fascinating, quite compelling. This is the narrative of the life of a lady from Kwara State called Risikat Aziz Ayegbemi. So guys, I bring you this stunning photo of Kwara mother and daughters who went viral recently because of their blue eyes. So yes, a Nigerian lady, you can see her picture. So the picture already tells you half the story of this video and really what a story it is. So this is a lady, of course, from Kwara State with a clear sea blue eyes, you know, the sort of eyes that you would only see with an European. They say it's only 10,000 of a person that actually has blue eyes, and the concentration of them, of course, is in Asia and in especially amongst the Caucasians. So very rare, of course, to find African lady with blue eyes, although there's an island in the Caribbean where it's a black population, and almost all of them, almost to the person, have blonde hair and blue eyes. But then, of course, that is due essentially to intermixing. But this essentially, this person here, this lady, is a full 100% Nigerian lady from Kwara State with a jet clear ocean blue eyes. So let's get into it. The headline again: stunning new photo of Kwara mother and daughters who went viral recently because of their blue eyes. So the picture really tells most of the story, but then of course let's see what the caption is. Some Nigerians came together and gave Risikat Aziz Ayegbemi and her daughters a makeover, and the photo shared online is breathtaking. Risikat, who's from Kwara State, went viral recently after a Nigerian lady shared the story of Risikat's husband walking out on their marriage and their daughters because of their blue eyes. So the photos tell the story, and I shall bring you a separate video on actually the story of the family situation with Risikat and her husband, because there's a story to be told there. But just a small synopsis, a small free song, just a taster. The husband of this lady, Risikat, he met her and was attracted to her largely because of her blue eyes. So they met, fell in love, and got married. And then, of course, they started to have children. So now it's quite a reach for somebody to have blue eyes within the Nigerian space. So he had no thought that his children would have blue eyes. So of course they got married, and after marriage, of course, then the children start to come. So now this Risikat now had her first daughter, and that daughter came out with blue eyes. So the guy was still sort of happy, although he was hearing murmurings within his community. So they carried on as a couple, and then again Risikat got pregnant, and the second child, also a girl, came out with blue eyes. So now the murmurings now turned into a clamoring with the relatives of the man that this lady was married to, is still married to. I don't think they're divorced, just separated. With the relatives of the husband started to agitate that they were struggling to identify with the children because of the blue eyes, to the point now that they are separated, Risikat and the husband. And I will do a video on this if you want me to, so just notify in the comment section and I will do a video. I'm almost determined to do a video on it anyway because the story is so compelling. So the pictures though is the real tale of this particular video, and I just wanted to bring it out to you and show it to you. They describe it as a form of mutation when a black person has blue eyes, and I don't particularly care for that word. And not just a black person, by the way, they consider blue eyes as a form of mutation, but then of course it is prized amongst the Europeans. But then of course in Kwara State, we can see how it is viewed, especially within that community, because I'm not going to say Kwara State is a sample of the entirety of Nigeria, never mind the African race, but especially in that community and singularly narrowed to that household, you can see how it is viewed. But separate videos will be done on this because this is a topic that has to be tackled. But as I said, the slides, the pictures really are the narrative, and I just wanted to bring you these pictures and just to give you a feel of the backstory to it because it is so compelling. Conversations in the comment section. Blonde hair, blue-eyed is what we're used to, but now jet black skin, dark black hair, but blue eyes is not what we're seeing coming out of Kwara State. What says you? What do you make of this? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Come tell me now how you view this. They describe it as a mutation, as a form of deficiency, but I take a different view. What view do you take? So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.